Good morning, students. So from last few classes we are talking about the importance of plants, in which we had discussed many subtopics. The very first one we had discussed about is the uses of plant. Many of the plant products we get from the tree, and the most important, oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is required by the living beings for breathing. Plants give out oxygen gas during the daytime and takes the carbon dioxide, and that's why the plants act as air purifiers. Plants also help in binding the soil with the help of their roots. So in use of plants we had read many of the points, and then we had discussed about the ways to conserve plants. What is the meaning of conserve? Conserve means to protect, to save. In this topic also we had discussed some of the points that how could we protect the trees in our nature by planting more and more trees, by minimizing the use of wooden products, by using the paper wisely, by celebrating Van Mahotsav, by stopping the cutting of the trees without any reason. Many more are there. And each and every one, means all the citizens of India as well as the people of the world, it is our prime duty to protect the plants, because plants are the only reason which helps, give the oxygen gas to survive in this planet, on this planet Earth. Okay, and then we had discussed about the oldest plant in the world, named as Old Gecko, whose age is 9,550 years. And then we had discussed about the keywords. The keywords are very important. The afforestation means planting of new trees, deforestation, cutting down of trees. These two are the most important term that you should learn, and the meaning of the other three: necessities, purifier, and survive. Survive means to live. That also we had discussed in our previous class. And then let's come to the exercise section. In our exercise part, fill in the blanks and true or false for the following statements. These two part we have already finished. Today we will go with the next section or part of the exercise, C and D. C is tick the correct option. 3 questions are there. This is MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice question. For one question there are 4 options, in which 3 options are wrong and only one is the correct one. What you have to do? You have to find out the correct answer and you have to put a tick mark on it. Okay. Before starting this discussion of the part C and D, one point that you have to keep in your mind, that these 2 work you have to do in your science classwork copy. But if you have made only 1 copy, no issue. In that copy only you have to do the C and D. But if you have made 2 copies, separate copies for classwork and homework, then this C and D is the classwork that you have to complete in your classwork copy, and the homework is you have to learn the part C and D. Okay. And one more thing, don't write only answers. You have to write the questions and then answer. I saw in the previous class when you sent the pages of the your homework, then I saw that many of you have done it in your book. No, you have to do it in your copy. And second thing, don't write only words. That means the correct word. Means full statement you write down, and then in that space you have to fill the correct word or so suitable words. The same way in the true or false also, C and D, so on. Clear to you? Now move with the next section. Question number C is tick the correct option. Clear? The first question is, they are an important gift of nature. Now, what are the options given for us? Number A, toys. Number B, plants. Number C, cars. And number D, mobiles. Clear to you? 4 options are there. Now you have to find out that which one of them is the gift of the nature. Toys and cars, mobiles. These 3 are made by human being, but plants are natural. So the answer will be plants. Okay? Question number 2. Plants give us what? The options are wool. Number B, wood. Number C, egg. And number D is your butter. Now check. Wool we get from sheep. Egg we get from hen. Butter is made up of milk, and milk mostly we get from the cow and buffaloes. Many animals are there, but mostly we get it from the cow or buffaloes. Clear to you? Cow and buffalo. Here is the second option, wood. Wood we get from the trees. So answer will be wood. Question number 3. Efforts need to be made to protect forests from. Efforts need to be made to protect from forest. Fires. Number B, rains. Number C, air. And number D is your animals. Now let me explain the question. What does the question say? Question says this, that out of these 4 things from which we have to protect the forest. If you could remember, the last point I discussed, that all of us should take steps to protect forest against forest fires, because rain is good for plants, forest, air is also good, and animals, they live in the forest. So the answer is fire. Section D, answer the following questions in brief, in which the very first question is, in which forms do we get food from plants? From plants, in which form we get the food? If you could remember, we discussed on the very first day that plants give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. The same thing we will write here. The answer will be plant give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. Number 2. How do plants help the soil? Means which part of plant help the soil and how it helped? Answer is, this is a question mark. Answer is, it is written here. You just see. Plants act as air purifiers. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots. Means plants help the soil by binding it with the help of their roots. So write down your answer. Plants bind the soil. Plants bind the soil with the help of their roots. With the help of their roots. Okay, this way the plant helps the soil. Question number 3. What is deforestation? What is deforestation? Is it, what is deforestation? Is it good or bad for all of us? क्या डिफॉरेस्टेशन हमारे लिए अच्छा है या बुरा है? द आंसर इज द cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Is called deforestation. Is it good or bad for all of us? No. Or you can write, it is bad for all of us, as there will be less supply of oxygen due to डिफॉरेस्टेशन. अगर पेड़ काट दिए जाए तो हमें ऑक्सीजन कम से कम मिलेगा और एक समय आएगा when there is no tree means no oxygen and we will not survive. Okay, so I think in part D there are only 3 questions. Part E is left, that we will do in our next class. Now your homework time. Your homework time is do part C and D in your classwork copy. Do part C and D in your classwork copy and learn it. Learn it is your homework. Homework I have given to do in the classwork copy. But main thing is, after writing the part C and D, you have to learn these question answer. Clear? Now next section we will do in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.